3.
Tama ba to? Sabi ko right daw.
Teka, di ba pa museum to? Pati ba naman AI pagod na sa buhay?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman ako sanay sa part na to. Ikaw lang tong lagi umiipit eh.
Alam mo naman go with the flow lang ako. Bahala na si Batman, kumbaga. Saan ba?
Oh, dito Dak.
Oh, pre, wala ka ng pasok?
Wala na.
Oo.
Ano kang gagawin mo mo?
Ha?
Ano kang gagawin?
Di, wala naman akong gagawin eh. Saan ba kayo punta?
Nakita
Cafe lang
lang namin
kami.
sa TikTok eh. Oh.
Sa cafe.
Ayan. Pero dito lang naman yun eh. Wala na rin naman gagawin.
Tara.
Samahan ka na kayo.
Tara. Hindi ko magets. Parang dati, wala naman kami problema sa paghanap ng mga gusto namin puntahan na lugar. Ngayon, kahit simpleng directions, AI na agad.
We wanted shortcuts. Faster, easier, better. But in exchange, we're slowly forgetting how to create.
When everything is in instant, where's the patience? The process? The mistakes that teaches us?
Kana. True. Actually, sa totoo lang, yung line na yun ni Ken, AI generated lang yun. Hoy, scripted to pero hindi AI generated ah.
Life before AI was simple. Slow, yes, but meaningful. We learned through effort, mistakes, and persistence. Then AI arrived, starting as a small spark of curiosity, helping us in ways we never expected. But as it grew, so did our dependence. Convenience replaced patience, shortcuts replaced learning, and slowly we forgot that tools were meant to guide us, not take our place. Yet the truth remains. AI isn't the enemy. It reflects how we choose it. It can build or it can break, but the choice is always in our hands. In the end, AI doesn't decide our future. We do.